Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we explore the current status of John Cornyn, the senior U.S. Senator from Texas, who has been a leading figure in Washington for over 2 decades. So, where is he now? Let's find out. John Cornyn was first elected to the U.S. Senate in 2002, representing Texas, and is now serving his 4th term. Before that, he served as Texas Attorney General and a state Supreme Court justice. He has held major Senate roles, including Republican Whip, and has been a member of key committees such as Finance, Judiciary, Intelligence, Foreign Relations, and Budget. Where is John Cornyn now? As of 2025, Cornyn remains an active U.S. Senator based in Washington, D.C., with his term set to expire in January 2027, unless re-elected. He continues to vote, legislate, and engage in national issues, especially around border security, judiciary nominations, and conservative priorities. In the wake of shifting Republican dynamics, Cornyn has emphasized his alignment with former President Donald Trump's agenda in an effort to shore up support among the party's base. He is also facing an increasing political challenge from within his party and is positioning himself for a possible re-election run in 2026. Despite his long tenure, Cornyn is encountering one of the toughest stretches of his career. He is being challenged in the 2026 Republican primary by Ken Paxton, the Texas Attorney General, who is appealing to more populist voters and claiming to represent the true conservative direction for the party. Cornyn has responded by ramping up campaigning, fundraising, and reinforcing his conservative credentials while trying to emphasize his experience and legislative record as a benefit to Texas. The upcoming primary will be a major test of his political viability moving forward. John Cornyn's story is that of a well-established national politician who has maintained influence for years, yet now finds himself at a crossroads. As he balances governing and campaigning, the next phase of his career will likely determine whether he remains a major player or begins the transition toward life past the Senate. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.